Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record audio on the Dropbox application and then save it to a folder. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below, which is the third option, create. Then click on record audio, which is the last option. Here you need to allow Dropbox application to access your microphone, so tap on OK. Now tap on this red button down below in order to start your recording. Now if you are done with it and would like to stop it, tap on this button again and select a folder to which you would like to upload this recording. If you want to, you can also change the name of your file by tapping on the file name at the top. Delete it and type in something else. Click on done, tap on upload in the upper right corner of the screen, and now as you can see your video has been, or your audio has been uploaded. If you want to place it into this folder, you can tap on the three dots icon next to it and tap on the button move. Tap on choose a different folder and select your folder where you want to save it, and click on the save button down below in the right side corner of the screen and click on move. Now it is moving. If you tap on your selected folder, you will be able to see that your audio file has appeared there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.